I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what you already have and what's allowed. Check your carrier's fair use policy and any rollover or family allowances so you avoid surprises. Once done, turn on System Data Saver and set streaming to low or 0. 5 Quality to stretch bytes. Next, map safe public Wi-Fi spots, libraries, cafes, workplace networks, and mark which require logins. Do this now so you can switch seamlessly and legally without extra recharges. You now layer options to avoid recharges. If a household member has generous tethering, ask to share for crucial tasks and make sure you disable hotspot when finished. Also, prioritize services that are 0 rated by your provider or bundled with subscriptions so they don't count against your cap. Meanwhile, shift big downloads, OS updates, and cloud backups to times when you're on trusted Wi-Fi. This mix-and-match approach reduces daily use legally and predictably. You wrap up by locking in controls and monitoring. Set per app caps and turn off background refresh for data-heavy apps so nothing surprises you. Make a habit of checking usage in your carrier app weekly and adjust streaming or sync settings when you approach limits. If a connection drops, first toggle airplane mode, reconnect to a known Wi-Fi, or restart the hotspot device. This quick troubleshooting often restores access without needing an emergency recharge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.